Are you curious about Cline and Claude Code? Let's dive into the comparison. Both tools help with programming and coding tasks. They make it easier for developers to write and manage their code. But how do they stack up against each other? First, let's talk about Cline. Cline is known for its user friendly interface. It offers features like code completion and debugging tools. Many users find it intuitive, which helps them code faster. It's a great choice for beginners and experienced coders alike. Now, let's look at Claude Code. Claude Code focuses on collaboration. It allows multiple users to work on the same project in real time. This makes it ideal for teams. It also has strong version control features, so you can keep track of changes easily. So, what are the main differences? Cline is more about individual coding efficiency, while Claude Code shines in team settings. If you work alone, Cline might be your best bet. But if you're part of a team, Claude Code could be more beneficial. When it comes to features, Cline offers solid coding tools, but Claude Code provides collaboration features that Cline lacks. If you need to share your work with others, Cloud Code is the way to go. Pricing can vary, but generally, client tends to be more affordable for solo users. Cloud Code might have higher costs, especially for team plans. In conclusion, if you're a solo coder looking for ease of use, Cline is a good fit. If you work in a team and need collaboration tools, Cloud Code is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.